Back on the channel with another video, and on that recent poll you did vote and agree to do a speed test between POCO X3 NFC on the left and Galaxy A71 on the right. Both devices are coming with quite similar specs and not very far away from that Snapdragon processor. We have a Snapdragon 732G for POCO X3 NFC, and we got a Snapdragon 730 on Galaxy A71. Both processors are on 8 nanometers, Adreno 618. Also, you're gonna have a look on the Antutu Benchmark app. You're gonna see the total score for both devices. If you can see, it's the same version, and it's slightly better on POCO X3 NFC with around 277,000 and Galaxy A71 with 221,000. Both devices are coming with 6 GB of RAM, and this one have 64 storage, and A71 128 storage. But before to do our test, I'm just gonna close this app and I'm just gonna take you on animations, because we want to be fair enough for both devices. And if you can see, both devices are on animation scale 1 on both. Also, because this POCO X3 NFC is coming with that 120 Hz refresh rate. We're just gonna go back on the refresh rate, and we're just gonna put it on 60. And now, yeah, I can see the difference. It's on 60 at this moment. Also, we're gonna go on game turbo, and I want to show you that at this moment it's not enabled. So game turbo is not enabled. Try to be fair as possible for both devices. Also, on the K menu on both devices we got the same Wi-Fi network, and nothing else is activated. No NFC activated, no NFC on A71, no location it's activated. Only this do not disturb mode, rotate off, and the synchronizations for A71. Also, we're gonna turn off both devices. We're gonna start with the first test, which is a restart test, if I can say, and we'll see which one can start faster. Okay, and now we're just gonna restart both devices. We're gonna press on the power button on POCO X3 and on this one on Galaxy A71, and we're just gonna tap on a restart and a reboot. Quite in the same time, and let's have a look, see which one it's gonna start. At this moment, no one. Yeah, we got POCO logo, powered by Android. And let's have a look for A71, which is taking a while. Okay, A71 or POCO X3 NFC, and we got POCO, the first one. Good. And let's see now Samsung, which is taking a while. Let's see how long now. And yeah, finally, come on, that's it. So the first one was POCO X3 NFC, and the second would be Galaxy A71. Now I'm just gonna show you that no more apps on the background. One more time, no more apps, and we're just gonna open 10 apps, and we're gonna see which one is faster in opening the apps and which one it's better on keep them on the background. And we're just gonna start with the first one on 3, 2, 1. and I think was A71. Moving on, and I think was POCO this time. POCO again. Let's see on this one. POCO was again. Let's move on the next one. And I think was POCO. And now we're just gonna go on that internet speed connection, and we're gonna find out how good it is. Okay, we got 53, 54, 53 the end for the download, and let's find out the upload now. Okay, 18, which is my actual speed for the upload. And let's find out for A71 now, which is pushing, but then it's stable on 50, 52, 50, yeah, 52 almost. It's quite the same speed like POCO X3. Let's have a better look here. Yeah, and the upload, it's 17. Okay, so this was the internet speed connection test, if I can say. Let's move on to the next app. And we got POCO. POCO again. POCO again. The Antutu. Let's find out. Yeah, Galaxy A71, and the last one POCO again. So if you can see, after this first round, POCO X3 did open most of the apps. So seems that the new processor, Snapdragon 732G, it's more improved, much better than Snapdragon 730. Anyway, both are on 8 nanometers. Okay, on the second round, we're just gonna go backwards, and we're gonna find out which one is better on keep them on the background. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I think it was POCO. Let's have a look now. I cannot say which one. Let's move on to the next one. A71. Quite in the same time on this one. POCO seems to be. Oh, I don't know which one was it. POCO again. POCO. Yeah, seems to be slightly faster on POCO. And yeah, did open also more apps on this second round, so better on keep them also on the background. Don't forget the price for this one, it's around £180, and for A71 it's probably double than that. So both devices did a great job. Also POCO X3 NFC did a very good job opening most of the apps. Also A71 still a strong mid-range on the market, even if it's more than half a year available also on the market. And this one is the newest one, it's been released in September 2020. So thank you for watching this video. Give it a like, share, subscribe, support this channel, and until next time, all the best.